The year is 2025. Electric cars are everywhere. But one stands out from the crowd. It's the BMW i7. This isn't just another electric car, this is a statement. A bold statement of luxury, power, and sustainability. Forget everything you thought you knew about electric cars. The i7 is here to redefine the game. The luxury EV market is booming. Every manufacturer wants a piece of the pie. But the i7 isn't here to compete. It's here to dominate. It's the culmination of decades of engineering excellence. And it shows, from its powerful electric motors to BMW. A name synonymous with performance, luxury, and innovation. For decades, the 7 Series has been the flagship of the BMW lineup. It's the car for those who demand the very best. Now the 7 Series has evolved. It's embraced the electric revolution. And it's given birth to the i7. The i7 isn't just an electric car with a fancy badge, it's the culmination of everything BMW has learned over the years. It's the perfect blend of performance, luxury, and technology. The i7 takes the legacy of the 7 Series and propels it into the future. Remember when electric cars were slow and boring? Those days are long gone. The i7 is here to change your perception of electric vehicles. It's powerful, it's stylish, and it's packed with cutting-edge technology. This isn't just an evolution, it's a revolution. Let's talk power. The BMW i7 doesn't disappoint. It boasts not one, but 2 powerful electric motors. That's right, dual motors for exhilarating acceleration and performance that will leave you breathless. This thing takes off like a rocket. But it's not just about raw power. The i7 is also incredibly efficient. Its advanced battery technology delivers an impressive range. No more range anxiety here. This car is designed for long journeys and thrilling adventures. Sustainability is at the heart of the i7. It's not just about reducing emissions, it's about making a statement. The i7 is a testament to BMW's commitment to a greener future. And it does so without compromising on performance. Now that's impressive. Section 4, a sanctuary of luxury where comfort meets cutting-edge design. Step inside the i7 and you'll discover a world of luxury. From the moment you open the door, you are greeted by an ambiance that speaks volumes about sophistication and elegance. This is a car designed for those who appreciate the finer things in life. Every surface, every material has been chosen to provide an unparalleled experience. The interior is a masterpiece of craftsmanship. The attention to detail is evident in every stitch and every curve. Every detail has been meticulously considered. From the stitching on the seats to the layout of the dashboard, nothing has been overlooked. But the real showstopper is the 31.3-inch 8K touchscreen. This isn't just a screen, it's a gateway to a world of possibilities. This isn't just a screen, it's an experience. Navigate through a plethora of features with just a touch. Control everything from navigation to entertainment with a touch. The interface is intuitive and responsive, making every interaction seamless. And for those who prefer to sit back and relax, the i7 has you covered with its plush seating and ambient environment. The i7 has you covered. The rear seats offer a sanctuary of comfort, perfect for unwinding on long journeys. Look up and be amazed by the Sky Lounge panoramic roof. It's like having a window to the universe, offering breathtaking views day and night. It's like having a window to the universe. Whether it's a starry night or a sunny day, the view is always spectacular. The i7 isn't just about technology, it's about comfort. The ambient lighting sets the mood, making every journey a pleasure. The seats are like sitting on clouds, designed to provide maximum comfort. They make even the longest trips enjoyable. And the cabin is whisper quiet. The i7 ensures a peaceful drive, isolating you from the noise of the outside world. This is a car designed for long journeys and ultimate relaxation. Every aspect of the i7 is tailored to provide a serene driving experience. Forget everything you thought you knew about car interiors. The i7 redefines luxury and innovation. The i7 is in a league of its own. It's not just a car, it's a statement of elegance and advanced engineering. Section 5. The future is now. Tech wizardry in the i7. The BMW i7 isn't just a car, it's a technological marvel, a true testament to what modern engineering can achieve. It's packed with features that will blow your mind, making every drive an extraordinary experience. Let's start with the big one. Level 3 Autonomous Driving. This groundbreaking technology is a game changer. This isn't just fancy cruise control, it's a sophisticated system that takes over the driving for you. This is the future of driving, where the car does the thinking, and you enjoy the ride. The i7 can handle most driving situations on its own, from navigating through traffic to changing lanes seamlessly. Sit back, relax, and let the car do the work. It's like having a personal chauffeur at your service. But it's not just about autonomy. The i7 is a hub of connectivity and innovation. The i7 is also incredibly connected, ensuring you stay in touch with the world no matter where you are. The iDrive 8.5 system is the most advanced infotainment system ever put in a car, setting new standards in the industry. It's intuitive, it's responsive, and it's incredibly powerful, making every interaction smooth and effortless. From augmented reality navigation to personalized driving experiences, the i7 has it all, tailored just for you. This is a car that's ahead of its time, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But the technology isn't just there for show. It's designed to make your life easier and your drives more enjoyable. It's there to enhance your driving experience, making every journey a pleasure. And that's what makes the i7 so special. It's not just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of driving. Section 6. Weighing the pros and cons, a holistic look at the i7. The BMW i7 is an exceptional car, but it's not perfect. It has its share of strengths and weaknesses, like any other vehicle. Let's address the elephant in the room, the price. The i7 is expensive, very expensive. It's a significant investment. It's not a car for the faint of heart. It's designed for those who seek the best and are willing to pay for it. You're paying for the latest technology, the luxury, and the exclusivity. Every detail is meticulously crafted. And then there's the styling. It's a bold statement. It's bold, it's futuristic, but it's not for everyone. Some people love it, some people hate it, it's polarizing, but one thing's for sure, it's a head-turner. Wherever it goes, it attracts attention. But let's not dwell on the negatives, let's focus on what makes the i7 stand out. The i7 is an incredible car. It offers a driving experience like no other. It's fast, it's luxurious, and it's packed with technology. The interior is a marvel of modern design. The i7 is a statement. It's a declaration of intent. It's a statement about the future of luxury cars. It's about innovation and progress. It's about sustainability without compromise. It's about being eco-friendly while maintaining luxury. And it's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's about redefining the driving experience. If you can afford it, the i7 is in a class of its own. It's a car that stands out in every way. Section 7. The final verdict, BMW i7 in the arena of luxury EVs. The luxury EV market is a crowded one. Mercedes-Benz has the EQS. Lucid has the Air. But the BMW i7 stands out from the crowd. It's the complete package. It's a car that seamlessly blends luxury, performance, and technology. The Mercedes EQS is a technological tour de force, but it lacks the driving dynamics of the i7. The Lucid Air is incredibly fast, but it can't match the i7's interior luxury. The BMW i7 hits the sweet spot. It's a car that can do it all. So, what's the final verdict? The BMW i7 is the future of luxury electric sedans. It's a car that sets a new benchmark for the industry. It's a car that will make you rethink what an electric car can be. The future is electric, and the future is here.